What's up everyone, welcome to the Like Sneaker channel, my name is Chris. For first time viewers, my reviews are based on me rating the following categories and scoring them out of 10. I will provide a quick review, on feet, lace swap footage, sizing, value predictions and my overall feelings towards the sneaker. This model is the ASICS Gel Lyte III Remastered and it's a triple collaboration between ASICS, Kith, Marvel's X-Men franchise. I won the online raffle from Kith's app with my sizing. These were released on July 28th last year with a retail price of £189 equivalent to 244 US dollars. In an exclusive collaboration with Marvel, Kith and ASICS reimagined the Gel Lyte III, honouring the 60th anniversary of the X-Men franchise. Designed in 7 X-Men inspired colorways and materials, each sneaker arrives as a mystery packaged in a co-branded blind box. For those who like to watch me experience the thrill of unboxing, you can view this by clicking in the link above. Reminiscent of the anticipation for the unknown when tearing open a pack of trading cards, the Marvel and Kith for ASICS Gel Lyte III Remastered arrives in a custom blind box, showcasing co-branded all over with Kith, Marvel and ASICS artwork. Carefully removes its tearaway seal to reveal a holographic Mylar bag concealing one of the 7 limited edition pairs. Each blind box will also include one newly created and encased Marvel and Kith trading card, featuring the character of the received model. Trading cards range in rarity with some select cards featuring PSA graded tabs. The 7 characters are Cyclops, Beast, Storm, Rogue, Gambit, Wolverine 1980 and the limited edition of the Wolverine 1975. This colorway is the Wolverine 1980, which is predominantly dark brown, red and yellow, and was the suit he wore in the 1980s, first introduced in the Uncanny X-Men, and the costume was designed by John Byrne. I love everything about the concept. It really brings me back to a time when I was a kid and collecting football and superhero trading cards and stickers and not knowing what you are getting. And Kith did a really good job in conveying the excitement on a pair of sneakers. Of all the 7 colorways, this was my third choice and was glad that I landed these. The outer packaging is this silky cardboard sleeve with artwork of the X-Men. The box itself is this really colourful presentation of the X-Men 1997 version, and it is a reminiscence of a comic trading card pack. For those who are interested in the label, you can pause and view this in your own time. The sneaker was wrapped in a holographic sealed bag. Mine comes with a trading card, but not PSA graded, just a regular one. It also includes both white and red flat cotton laces. Inspired by Wolverine's classic suit debuting in 1980, the Wolverine 1980 Gel Lyte III Remastered silhouette features white outlets, a yellow perforated pigskin suede vamp, a brown leather upper and red ASICS stripes on the side panels. It is designed with a split tongue and finished with the Kith, ASICS and X-Men code branded throughout. The colourway gives a vintage vibe to this 1990s model. The yellow and red gives it a pop, and you can argue you will not see this colour combination on other models, and there have been some negativity towards it from other YouTube sneaker reviewers. However, I personally like the colour scheme. Beautiful yellow pigskin suede with stroke back. Despite using synthetic mesh around the ankle collar and tongue and synthetic dark brown glossy leather, it looks rather premium. The craftsmanship is very good. My pair just have some minor glue stains, but the rest of the construction was assembled well. So let's move on to the on-feet footage. With regards to sizing, I understand everyone's foot and shape is unique. What I have done is I've measured my foot physically and I've provided you a simple guide on how I've measured my foot and measurements. And you can pause and view this guide in your own time. Hopefully this will provide a better idea for viewers who are typically US size 11 or UK 10 or EU 45. My feet physically measures 28.1 centimeter lengthwise and have normal width feet. To give you some indication, my standard sizes for Nike and Jordan model is US 11. But for ASICS models such as the Gel Lyte 5, I tend to go with US 11.5. And for those who have been following my channel, I have reviewed the Gel Lyte III on many occasions. For this specific favourite model of mine, I tend to go half a size up with US size 11.5. Despite I have normal width feet, I find the Gel Lyte 3 fits snug. The toe cap area is slightly narrow, but the length and width are just right for me. I don't have issues with the split tongue as I can close it completely. This is the remastered version. I did some comparison with my salmon toe. And my findings are the remastered is a tiny bit longer and wider. However, the upper is slightly tighter and I feel a bit of compression compared to my salmon toe. Perhaps this may be due to the fact that it needs time in breaking in and loosen the upper. Personally, I think if you have a normal or narrow width feet, you should go half a size up with your US sizing. If you have wide feet, then it is a difficult position, as I think if you go one full size up, then the length will be too long. Best solution is to go in store and try the model physically before deciding what size suits you. Or alternatively, take out the original insole and swap it to another insole, or wear thin or thick socks according to how you see fit. I find it averagely comfortable and could feel the upper layer compressing against my feet with the remastered model. In terms of the outsole cushioning, the gel cushioning technology is over 20+ years. It doesn't offer spongy energy return, it is reasonable and the contour between front and rear is level. Good for a warm day, and it does give you autumn vibes. This colourway might be quite challenging for modern aesthetic. Perhaps wearing a dark brown or yellow top will go well with it. But the wearer can swap with different colour laces to offer more variety in matching outfits. According to the secondary market, they have been selling between 100 to 240 British pounds depending on sizes. Overall, they are going slightly below retail prices, and I can foresee this trend will continue around the 100 to 140 pounds price range, excluding the trading card. Please note these are purely based on my personal predictions. I love Marvel comics and sneakers. Both are a perfect marriage for me. I have fond memories of watching the X-Men cartoon when I was young, and the tune had always stuck to my mind. For my era, I was used to seeing Wolverine in the yellow, black and blue combo, and that would have been my first choice. But I was still pleased to have copped these, as it was my third choice of 7. I absolutely love the mystery box concept, although I do understand it would have been frustrating if I got the ones I didn't really want, and it would have been an expensive mistake, but that is just part of the excitement. I like the retro colour combination, but if compared to the comic, there's probably too much red. This will probably divide opinions, and I would like to know, what do you guys honestly think? I think the original tugged laces goes well, but it was a nice touch to offer different colour laces. In terms of comfort, it is reasonably comfortable, which offers enough stability and may require time to break in and soften the upper. It seems that the Gel Lyte 3 and 5 are no longer as popular as before, which does sadden me a little as I really like the model. However, the brand has been on the up, especially with the Y2K styled models, such as the Kayano 14, NYC, GT1260 and the GT1130. And I'm glad that there's increased following in appreciating ASICS. Before announcing the final score, I would like to disclose that the scoring was heavily influenced by the concept, packaging and accessories. I guess there's not much of a debate when it comes to those factors, as they are pretty awesome. Therefore, I will give an overall score of 8.6. I hope you enjoyed my new compacted review, and importantly, please share your thoughts on these and which X-Men colourway is your favourite. Don't be shy to leave your comments below. Appreciate if you could spare a few seconds to hit like, subscribe and share this video and channel, and I shall see you in the next video. The Wolverine 1980s slashing out.